is all about the rhinos. So we'll allow you some free time to enjoy, see the elephants get the milk, and after they finish the milk, we'll talk about them one by one. But if you've got any questions about the rhinos, you are free to ask.
You know what's coming.
I will start with the elephant on my left. And Talek is approximately 1.5 years. Talek was rescued from the Masai Mara. She was found in the company of bull elephants who were taking good communities and school children are being educated, and the parks are safe for all wild animals. As we wait for the next group to join, if there are any questions from any direction, you are free to ask. You just raise up your hand and shout your question one at a time if there is any, please. What kind of milk? The milk we are feeding the elephants is not an elephant's milk. This is because it is not very easy to milk a wild elephant and get the raw milk. At the same time, it is not cow's milk, since cow's milk has got lots of fats, and elephants are poor in fat digestion, especially fats from other animals. So if you feed them on cow's milk, they will diarrhea to death. And that is why we feed them on a human baby formula, whose fats have been emulsified to make it easier for the babies to digest. It took the founder of this place, the late Dr. Daphne Sheldrick, about 28 years to discover that this is the right formula for them. We feed them on intervals of 3 hours, day and night, and one elephant takes about 24 liters of milk in a day. We add some minerals, some vitamins, and some porridge in the milk as well. He's got a wart. Lord Daika, who is 3.5 years old. And Lord Daika was rescued from Lord Daika Conservancy, which is found in Laikipia, after he had been separated from his family by human beings. At the edge of the waterhole is Mageno, who is almost 3 years. And Mageno was rescued from Saba Conservation Area, another starvation victim due to drought. Identified all alone within the park, very thin, weak and skinny. On my right is Morijo, who is 2.5 years, was rescued.
Yeah.